course, the Chinese, a pushback that is being seen as in their own territory at the LAC. India is not relenting in any manner. And when it comes to the Apache attack helicopter that has been deployed at all forward bases, not only this, the BRO, which is the Border Roads Organization, has built 3 new strategic bridges near Nemu, which are helping the Indian Army move its tanks and are towing artillery guns to the eastern Ladakh sector along the LAC. So this is coming across as a big development right after the de-escalation and disengagement talks and multiple levels that have been taken up between India and China, militarily level and also diplomatic level. Now, India still cannot be trusting much of China and its intent, and it seems that when it comes to guarding our borders, the Indian armed forces are going full throttle. When it comes to the Apache attack helicopter at the forward bases near India-China LAC, that has carried out night operations as well.
Surprise. The Indian Air Force is fully trained and ready to undertake entire spectrum of operations in any environment with the help of modern platforms and motivated personnel.
Sir, वारंट अफसर साहब, इन कठिन परिस्थितियों में आप लोगों का मनोबल कैसा है? आप लोग इतनी मुश्किलों में नाइट ऑपरेशंस भी कर रहे हैं, तो जोश कैसा है, इसके बारे में बताइए।
हम जितने वायु योद्धा यहाँ पे हैं, सबका मनोबल बहुत ऊंचा है, आसमान से भी ऊंचा है, और नव स्पर्श दीप्तम टच द स्काई विद ग्लोरी।
थैंक यू।
We have Tejinder with us. Let me quickly go across to him. So when it comes to the increased troop deployment and when it comes to our military tactics there at the LAC, though there has been talks of disengagement and a pushback to the Chinese military there, Tejinder, but when it comes to China and its intent, this is something that India still cannot trust.
See, Amita, yesterday when the official statement came that both the Chinese side and the Indian side, they have decided to disengage after the National Security Advisor Ajit Doval had a 2-hour-long video call with the Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi. I spoke to several senior officers in the Indian Army, and they told me that though the decision has been taken to disengage, but the Indian armed forces, they are not going to lower their guard along the line of actual control, given the fact that China is known to deceive. It happened on 6th of June when the dialogues took place between the corps commander level, and there was a decision to withdraw from that Galwan area. But we saw the violence which followed just after 11 days. So the Indian armed forces are not going to lower their guard. And we can see that the massive infrastructure work is still on at several places along the line of actual control, because India has already maintained that it is going to continue with the infrastructural development that is going on along the line of actual control. And also you can see that the Indian Air Force is in full operational preparedness. We just witnessed the other day how the Su-30 MKI, the MiG-29, they are operating near the line of actual control. And also we can see how the Indian Air Force is operating the Apache attack helicopter, which we have recently acquired from the United States. These Apache attack helicopters are also operating at a air base along the line of actual control. So clearly the Indian armed forces, be it the Indian Army, the Indian Air Force, is not going to lower its guard, given the fact that China is known to deceive and backtrack from any agreement that it
and the building of bridge at the Nemu base area, especially when it comes to the BRO or the border organization, which the roads organization, which is now building up fast-moving roads and bridges are for the armed forces there, helping India actually move ahead when it comes to those forward bases and a very difficult terrain where India is continuously keeping and being on a high alert mode unless to any Chinese misadventure. Thanks very much, Tejinder, for the same.